Today we're joined by Fabrice Benard, CEO of Generali Insurance Malaysia and country head of Generali entities in Malaysia, fresh off a win as International General Insurer of the Year for Malaysia at the Insurance Asia Awards 2026. Fabrice, congratulations. Please tell us your thoughts on this win, particularly how does Generali Malaysia approach investment management in today's environment?
Thank you, Simon. I'm very happy about this fourth consecutive win, of course, and very glad to have received this award for me and my team. Investment for Generali Malaysia is now towards sustainable investment. So I'm very glad that in 2025 we managed to invest close to 40% of our assets into green investment, or close to be green investment, and that's the direction that we are pushing. So for our next 2026 and next years to come, we are pushing more and more towards this orientation because we live now in a sustainable world, and sustainability is the key aspect of what we are driving through our investments.
That's very interesting, Fabrice. Now, I'm sure our viewers would be interested to know, why was it important for Generali Malaysia to publish its first climate-related financial disclosure report?
It was very important for us because, first of all, we work for a European group, and sustainability is at the core of what we do. It's at the core of our values. So it was very important to be able to replicate in our market in Malaysia what the group is already doing in Europe. Then it's also a push, of course, by our local regulators, and it's also a push that is expected by our policyholders and our shareholders. So for us, being able to achieve that for the very first time was something that we are very proud of. And we had a lot of back and forth. We had a lot of try run because it's the first time. And so we are still testing formats, what to put here, how to communicate. And we will continue to improve year after year on this report. And we will continue to prove to our policyholder and our shareholders that this is at the core of what we do, and it will be more and more important even in the future.
Very interesting, Fabrice. We must ask, however, how do you balance sustainable profitability with growth ambitions in an increasingly competitive market?
The market is indeed very competitive, and balancing growth and sustainability is something quite complex, especially because the market is not yet mature on these aspects. Some of my competitors will embrace happily sustainability and will try to push for a market change, but some of them still continue to work as they used to work in the past. So it makes effectively the competitive landscape quite different, quite difficult to manage, but we want to be more forward-looking into the future rather than the past, and Generali is part of the companies that are embracing the sustainability agenda and trying to achieve growth by proving that sustainability must be done. It's not an option anymore, it must be achieved. And we had in the past, since 2023, very difficult decision to be taken from a business perspective. We had to let some business go that were not actually in accordance with our values and what we believe to be the path to sustainable growth. We did it. So we actually make our actions prove our engagement. And that's the most important, I would say, when you want to be a lifetime partner like us.
Lastly, Fabrice, what does this recognition indicate about your company's position within the industry?
Oh, I'm very proud about this recognition because it's the fourth time that it has been given to us. We are a strong leader in the general insurance space in Malaysia, but we are also a very young company. We were created only 4 years and a half ago. So for us, we are still fixing things. We are still trying to improve. We are still trying to be better for our customer. It's very important for us to be able to fix what is not right. And this is the path to the future that I was talking to. So being recognized on all this effort, being recognized on the activities that we are driving, on the change that we are trying to push, is of course something that I'm very proud of for me and for my employees and for the company to a certain extent.
Fabrice, thank you for walking us through these initiatives, and congratulations again on the win.
Thank you very much, Simon.
Once again, that was Fabrice Benard, CEO of Generali Insurance Malaysia and country head of Generali entities in Malaysia. For more news and updates, please visit insuranceasia.com. Goodbye for now.